Where's 7-Eleven, sir?
7-Eleven opposite South Mall. Mall.
South Mall, sir?
Yes, South Mall.
I'm here at the footbridge, sir, in front of 7-Eleven. Where are you, sir?
Where are you?
7-Eleven in front of sir, overpass.
Over what? The 7-Eleven. That's Union Diesel. Union Diesel.
Sir?
Union Diesel. That's Union Diesel. Come back.
Where are you, sir?
Union Diesel.
Sorry, sir, I can't understand you, sir. Where are you, sir?
Where are you? I can't.
I'm here at the 7-Eleven, sir, in front of
Okay,
the
Union.
overpass, sir.
Yeah, okay, over police station.
Sir?